right now with the time at 21 minutes past 5. It's the shipping forecast, and it comes this morning from Louise Lear.
Thank you, Rory. Good morning. This is the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 05:05 on Friday the 4th of May 2012. There are warnings of gales in Viking, Northern Sierra, Southern Sierra, Fisher and Fair Isle. The general synopsis at midnight. Low Skankarag 1002, slow moving D9 high Iceland 9029, expected west of 1022.
Buenos Aires, Argentina.
Low Fitzroy 1001, slow moving.
The naturalist on board super yacht Swan Song. It's remarkable, the vegetation, the fauna and the wildlife you find aboard. As you can see, both wild animals are easily tamed. The old pterodactyl with a large nose and the protruding glasses. They're in a staring competition. The pterodactyl just about to devour the bird. Poor thing. There they go. And then we have Belle Ile, 11 o'clock Saturday morning. Dolphins abound, glorious weather, and long lunch awaits. Hurrah! Come on, Bob.
Stop moaning. We're going across to here, Port Gold Bar.
Excellent.
We'll pull us down on Donald there.
Floor it!
Come on, Bodley, fucking get a move on.
Last night we had a rendezvous. You two come on, parlez-vous. We went to see a French movie. Make us kiss and make us eat. You really got a hold on me. I wanna hear you say, oh, chérie, chérie,
Bondy, get your shit together.
There you go. Oh! How you turn the thing down?
No! Let's go to the next destination. Are you really a prince?
Should we go to sea?
Are you really a prince?
What a lovely evening.
We're probably just preparing the lids. I don't really think we push them out. Good morning. It's a bit rough out here. So, God, don't let go. Hang on. Don't let go of the crab. Oh! Hold the crab, Bondy. We're gonna lose the mayonnaise on the back. Got the mayonnaise right. Are we still making any progress? It's calming down a bit.
Mostly.
Bordeaux. The sausage of the donkey. Foie gras. Celery wrap.
Green flight off, superb.
Side. Now on the rum punch course. There we go. Look at that.
Good crushing skills there.
Yes. Now, the phare breton. Spécialité de la bateau.
Oh, super. I do like the presentation.
Sure.
Another sunny day, I met you out in the garden. You were taking plans, I thought you beg your pardon. I took a photograph of you in the herbaceous border. It broke the heart of men and clouds and girls and trees. Another rainy day, we're trapped inside the trade set. Chocolate on the bottom, steamy windows when we met. You got the attic window looking out on the cathedral. And on a Sunday evening, bells ring out in the dusk.
very nice.
Very good, very good. And here we have here with
Tiramisu.
tiramisu for the starter. Very good.
On the underbone.
On the bike, heading back towards the boat. I have no idea where we are. Somewhere in the La Rochelle suburbs. Oh, it's quite beautiful. It wasn't raining too heavily, and I wasn't lost.
To bring us both eye to eye. I heard the Eskimos remove obstructions with tongues, dear. You missed my eye, I wonder why I didn't complain. You missed my eye,